Hi, this is Chris and this is Riding Reviews. Today we're going to be looking at the Skyracer F1 350cc. This is a bright green quad. Aesthetically it is quite a nice bike, but we did have quite a few problems with this bike. It has done 4,000 miles now, and say every 1,000 miles we had to do something major. So the first one was the bearings on the right hand side front wheel. They went and locked the front wheel up, which could have been very dangerous, but it was managed to stop beforehand. So we replaced both of the front ends, filled them up with grease, and then the ball joint on the left hand side went as well, so we had to change that and put in a new one. These ones are press fitted, so you do have to get hydraulically pushed out. On the next one, the rear bearings went, and we had to have them replaced as well. They also locked up. When it cooled down, they were able to release and could move the vehicle. Also, the rear handbrake system all fell apart and locked on the back brakes as well. Lights on this aren't that good, so we replaced the lights at the bottom, so it's got two sets of high and low beam lights. But I don't want to be all negative about this. Once we sort out all those problems, it is a fairly nice and fun thing to ride about on. So this will do about 70 miles an hour. I wouldn't recommend you do 70 miles an hour because at 50 plus the bike starts shaking quite a lot. You do get used to it, but off the bat it's probably something you don't really want to have to deal with. Road handling. Me personally, I like going around the corner, especially when it's wet. You can pretty much get it sideways around the roundabout. I don't suggest you try this, but if it happens, it happens, and it is fairly fun. Tyre pressures on these are quite small. Suspension is really hard, so tyre pressures are about 14 psi, which is not normal for a motored vehicle. It's usually about 13. So if you decide you wanted one of these bikes and you wanted to get some insurance, it's fairly hard to get and it's fairly pricey. I think whereas you would be paying a couple of £100 for this bike with a normal license, you may be paying a lot more with a standard license. The other thing is, the good points is you can ride this on a car license or a motorbike license. You can do it on either. It has a 14 litre tank, which should get you somewhere in the region of say 250 miles. Road presence, everybody loves looking at this one. It's just one of those things. You've got to be careful who looks at it, because honestly it's a very desirable item and something you may want to take it from you. Other than that, it's quite nice. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if so, please comment below. Any questions, comment below. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you can stay updated to all my latest videos. And as always, ride safe.